At WeCare, stepping into someone's home is something we take seriously. This isn't just where we work, it's where families live, gather, and make memories. From the moment we arrive, the goal is simple: show respect in the way we carry ourselves, the way we enter the home, and the way we prepare for the work ahead. Before a tool ever touches the floor, we protect the space. Shoe guards, floor covering, plastic around the attic access. It's not just a checklist. It's a standard we'd expect in our own homes. Even bringing equipment inside is done with care. There's no rushing, no dragging, no guessing, just experience, intention, and respect for the home we're in. Every install is different, but our mindset never changes. Do it right, do it clean, and think ahead. The details may be unseen, but they are never ignored.
Here at WeCare, we have one goal in mind, is to make sure your house is protected as well as we would protect our own house. Our biggest goal is to make sure we leave it as clean as possible, better than the conditions we walked into.
This is what WeCare is about. We like to take that extra mile, that extra step, shows a real sense of pride, making sure that customer is satisfied in the end.
Whether we're outside staging materials or making final checklists inside, there's a rhythm to the way our teams work, and it comes from training, repetition, and real pride in our trade. At WeCare, going the extra mile isn't just a gesture. It's who we are when no one's watching, and it's what we leave behind when the job is done. It's our culture, our promise, our brand. We care to go the extra mile.